What's happening, you guys? Veggie here, and today's video is actually going to be about vegan cheat meals, because yesterday I actually had a vegan cheat meal. Now, something I really want to address that I really wish I brought up in 2017, well, when I made that video about why I'm turning vegan, which I believe was the start of 2018, because obviously I was vegetarian in 2017, I'm vegan in 2018. So one of the reasons why I actually turned vegan was because I actually met a certain someone recently who's vegan, and they were kind of that influence to help me change to veganism. And I always told myself as a vegetarian, oh, I could be vegan, but I just don't have that support. I have no vegan friends, and let alone I don't have any vegetarian friends. I have one close family member who is vegetarian, right? But no one else. Like, everyone else is just eats meat. So I felt like because of this lack of influence, it was very hard for me to become vegan. But at the same time, it goes against my own individualist principle about relying on yourself to make transitions in life, because now I'm relying on someone to help me do that. But at the same time, sometimes you need that support, to make that decision. So I met this certain someone, they're vegan, and they actually helped me a lot. So when I was vegetarian, I was talking to them, and I was having conversations such as, how would I cope with this as a vegan, sorry. So, how would I get this as a vegan, and how do I have cheat days as a vegan, right? And they give really good answers. So I remember back in 2017, I was buying a lot of the foods that they were presenting towards me. One of them was actually vegan Ben & Jerry's, which I eat as a vegetarian at the end of 2017. And I was thinking, wow, this is vegan. This is bloody amazing. So obviously it's just almond ice cream with made Ben & Jerry style, but it just tasted phenomenal. And as I've started to meet this person, when we go out, we tend to eat vegan. So yesterday, actually, we went to a vegan restaurant called Mod, and Mod actually did a brilliant vegan pizza. I'm not gonna lie, like, I preferred it over a mozzarella pizza because I didn't get that sickly feeling afterwards. Like, I felt like I could eat more after, which is brilliant, but at the same time it's still bad because obviously you're consuming so many calories. So I had a Mod pizza, right? We had a Mod pizza, and it was customized. You can put what you want on there. There was a vegan cheese, so we obviously put the vegan cheese on, and I believe it was Violife, which is mostly made up of coconut oil. And that was brilliant. I actually love that meal. Obviously I'm going to show a picture of you guys. So here's a picture of it right now. It's just fantastic, I absolutely loved it. And then afterwards we actually went for a bit of dessert. I know, it's a cheat day. It was a cheat meal, sorry. So obviously I'm cutting, but at the same time I want to keep it in my calories. So we had a vegan brownie. And the vegan brownie was actually from a place called Veggie Pret in London, which I recommend you guys check out. Now, the vegan brownie tasted better than any dairy brownie I've ever had. It tasted like, you have cheesecake. It tasted like the chocolate crust of that cheesecake, basically. And a brownie, which must mean it's just packed with calories, right? And so we were doing a lot of walking anyway. So obviously I feel like I could have eaten more. I ate more that day, which was fine, even though I was over the caloric amount. Because there's just a tremendous amount of walking we did. I felt like, okay, I can eat this. But then I was actually going through, Windsor today, because I had to return something. And Windsor, if you guys don't know, Windsor Castle, you can look it up. There was actually a fudge kitchen, and I was kind of looking around, and I looked in the window, and it said dairy-free fudge. And I was like, holy shit, I think I've just come across the motherlode. Because this is only a 15-minute drive from my house, 12-minute drive even from my house, right? And I was thinking, Jesus, if this dairy-free fudge is good, right, I have someone in my house that serves really nice vegan kind of chocolate sweet, right, something sweet and chocolate dessert. So I tried it out. I tried a sample, and it's bloody amazing. And I'm gonna go back there probably sometime this week to get a slice, it just tasted that good. I'd probably reserve it for my cheat days. But holy crap, I recommend you guys look around for vegan cafes, vegan restaurants. Try out these foods. So seriously, you guys, look for these cafes and restaurants that are vegan. I know Zizzi's, I don't know if you guys know that, it's a place in the United Kingdom, or in the UK, right, that actually has its own vegan menu. And if you wanted alcohol, they have vegan wine, vegan beer, vegan cocktails. It's incredible. They have a vegan lunch menu and dessert menu. It's just bloody brilliant. Some of these restaurants are really catering towards veganism. Veganism is becoming a trend. Pizza Hut's starting to make vegan pizza, right? All these places are becoming more and more vegan, and it's really a brilliant time to go vegan, you guys. So I think there's no excuse from all the foods I've tried that are vegan that I feel like they taste just as good as the vegetarian, foods. Doritos, Pringles, all these things, all these crappy fatty foods, Oreos, these foods you can have that are vegan. It's just incredible. Okay, you might not have that favorite chocolate bar, but at the same time, you can compensate by having these types of foods if you wanted a cheat day, if you wanted that mental break from the constant 9 to 5 grind of just solid, clean meals, right? Not 9 to 5, that's an all-day job, but just the idea of eating clean meals all the time. You want to break away from that, even as a vegan. You can now. There's just so many options available for you guys to do. I find it bloody brilliant. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to keep rambling on and on, right? As you saw from that chocolate spread video, that you can just find substitutes for, like, near enough everything for vegan. It might cost a bit more, but ethically and morally it's worth it, you know, to make that difference, to reduce the demand of these products that cause cruelty to animals. Obviously, because a lot of these products, that's the reason why I changed to veganism, right? Because these products have animal products in them, and that's unethical towards animals. So the dairy industry is torturous, the meat industry is torturous, so you really should be making this difference, you know. Anyway, you guys, that's really all I wanted to address in this video. I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace.